Hi everyone, today I wanted to show how you can clear the search in history on the Play Store app on basically any Android device that you have. Please note the fact that we highly recommend that you get the latest version of Play Store app and Android system in general. So let's go ahead and start. First of all, you gotta open up the Play Store. Here click at the profile icon, go for settings, expand the general category, and here just choose the account and device preferences function. Scroll down until you stumble upon the clear device search history on the device section of this menu. Just tap on it, clear history, and as you can see, our history has been successfully cleared. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.